What's up, guys? Robbie Forwell here, and I'm actually at the mechanic. Came to get my Mercedes-Benz C300 fixed. The noise I've been having in the car, when I turn the car on, it's got that loud noise in the engine. Eventually it goes away. And there you go, it stopped. Well, the problem is the secondary injection air pump, Mike? Is that what it's called? Secondary injection air pump? Yeah, and oh my goodness, why do you cover it up? Okay, he didn't lock it in. And this is what the problem was. So this is the secondary injection air pump. And so this guy have been replaced and problem solved. No more problems at all. This is actually the old pump that was inside the car. I'm not sure it's come on, focus, Bosch. This is what was inside the car, so I'm not sure if it's been replaced already, but this is the one that came out of it, and this is actually the same exact one that I put back into it. So I pretty much replaced it with the same thing here. And so that's the problem, guys. That's what I was having the issue with. That's what was making all that noise. You know, when I turn on the car, it's got that loud noise. And now, no more noise. It's like quiet, just the way it should be. And I'm really enjoying it. So if you guys are having the problem, you know, that loud squealing noise when you turn on your car, just take a look at your secondary air pump. And also another thing you need to take a look at, which so what happened was I just came back to the mechanic, and what happened was I was driving home after I changed the pump. I was driving home, and my engine light came back on. Okay, and so I just came back to the mechanic, and he checked it out, and then he found out that this fuse was blown. So if you guys change this pump, you probably want to go ahead and check the fuse to make sure that the fuse you know, is not blown, because if it is, then you guys probably going to want to replace it, or the engine light, the check engine light is gonna come back on. All right, guys, so that is the problem. The problem's been solved. So the loud noise that's been coming from my engine has been solved, and that is the problem. So if you guys have any issues like that, that's something that you need to take a look at. And now I'll just do a little bit of walk around in the car. Now everything about the car is beautiful. So no problems at all. Let's see if I turn it on right now. Yep, and she's good. No check engine lights. So everything is good. I still haven't fixed my radio yet. Radio is still not working. So that's something I need to take a look at. But yeah, so there you go, guys. Problem is solved. So if you're having this problem with your car, if your car is making a loud noise when you turn it on, this is definitely something that you guys need to take a look at. Okay, no, wait, this guy here. And so so thanks. There's a lot of guys that actually kind of there's one guy that actually tell me that could be what the problem is. And you know, so I appreciate all the help that all the input, you know, and but now it's fixed, guys, and so I appreciate it. So if once again, if you have the problem, if you're having that problem with the car, then that's what you need to take a look at. Okay, that could be the issue. And don't forget to check the fuse once you're done, because if the fuse is blown, your check engine light is going to come back on. All right, guys, you know the drill. Until next time, thanks so much for watching the video. Peace.